Welcome friends. So in this particular session, we will install the Docker engine on a Debian system. So we will create a brand new VM instance on Google Cloud Platform. And over there, we will install the Docker engine on the Debian OS. So first and foremost, you have to go to the Google and you have to search install Docker on Debian. And the very first link, you can find this instruction, how to install the Docker engine on Debian system. So Docker engine is the engine to run the containers. And we're going to install the Docker engine as per the instruction over here in the official docker.com website. So in the left-hand side, you can see, there are a couple of operating systems they have provided, and we are going to choose the popular one, and we will install the Docker on those operating systems. So first and foremost, let's create a VM instance, and maybe we can name the VM instance as Debian VM, and we are going to keep this by default. Make sure that we are choosing the Debian system, and we're going to say create. So once the VM will be created, we'll be back. Let me pause my video until then. Okay, so our Debian VM is ready. So let's jump to the Cloud Shell and let us see what are the VM instances listed over there. And let's connect to these VM through gcloud SSH command. So gcloud compute SSH and then Debian VM and role is US Central F. You can use any other method, but for the sake of simplicity, I'm using this gcloud command. So once we are connected to this VM, so we are connected to this Debian VM. So now let's go to this website and let's follow the instructions. So very first thing they're saying to update the VM instance with latest package. And once it is done, let's install the CA certificates. So once that is done, we are going to install these dependencies. And then we are going to add the repository to app sources. Once that is done, we are going to install the Docker package, and we can copy this one and run. So once that is installed, our actual Docker will be installed in the system. So let's wait for some time to get it installed. Excellent. So it is installed now, and we can see the status of the Docker, and you can see that it is active. So our Docker is successfully installed. Now we can test. It will pull this hello world image and it will start running the container called hello world. If it can run it successfully, we can say we are done installing the Docker engine. So congratulations. Thank you friends for watching this video. So in this lecture, we actually installed the Docker engine on Debian operating system on Google Cloud Platform VM instance. So in the upcoming lecture, we will try to install the Docker engine on other operating systems like Ubuntu or Red Hat Linux. Thank you for watching this video, and we are sure that you enjoyed the videos a lot. See you in the next lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.